How to get verified on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can get verified on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get verified on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and launch your Facebook application here. Come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom left and then tap the three dots option over here. Once you tap on three dots, you can just go to this option called Meta Verified and then make sure to tap on it. As you tap the Meta Verified option here, you should be able to see all these features. Now you can tap the next option, select a Facebook profile to sign up with. Now you just have to pay $8 a month in order to get Meta Verified badge on this Facebook profile. So now tap on the pay to get benefits option and then make sure to enter your payment details and you'll successfully get verified on Facebook. This way you can get verified on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.